You know, if you look at the world around us, it's filled with war, with terrorism, uncertainty, instability. And look at this miracle. We're here with the privilege of being able to vote peacefully in a stable democracy and decide who will govern us. It's a blessing. Don't turn your back on that blessing is what I would say.
Absolutely. The main thing is across the nation, I think healthy environment, less pollution, better quality water, better quality, and of course the underlying growth, economy, strong nation, all of that is important. But on top of that, a very local agenda that really is a problem in big cities in the country, which is about, quality of living.
पूरी महाराष्ट्र की जनता देश का संविधान बचाने के लिए रास्ते पर उतर कर आई है और जुमलेबाजी को खत्म करने के लिए रास्ते पर उतरी है और मतदान करके अपने भविष्य में मतदान का अधिकार वो कायम रखेंगे।
महायुति महाराष्ट्र में जीतेगी, काम के बलबूते पे जीतेगी, केंद्र के काम के बलबूते, राज्य ने निर्णय लिए हुए काम के बलबूते पे ये महायुति जीतेगी। घर में बैठने वालों को लोग वोट नहीं करेंगे, फेसबुक लाइव करने वाले को वोट नहीं करेंगे, डायरेक्ट काम करने, ग्राउंड रियलिटी फील्ड पे काम करने वालों को वोट।
I want to tell everyone that this is a fundamental duty, sacred duty, and they must do it. And we have such a capable person at the helm in Narendra Modi. First time in, I think, ever since independence that we have had such a person who works day and night, and look at the difference he has made to the lives of the people.
I think it is a matter of great pride for every Indian that the election process is taking place. It's the world's largest election, 80 crore people. And when you see how systematically it's done and how smoothly it is done, I think it gives great joy to me. Also, it's so thorough. There are 3 different people actually checking what you are doing. And it was very smooth. I'm very happy. I would just urge all that this is everybody needs to vote. It is important to exercise our franchise. I am actually happy to say that ever since I started, I was eligible to vote in 1977. I have at least not missed a single election, and I would urge that people should do the same.
No, it's absolutely necessary to have a stable government, and stability is the key for progress. So we need stability, we need good leadership at the center, which we've been having for the last 10 years. मुंबई में तो काफी इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर आ गया है, कोई भी गवर्नमेंट है आता है, इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर अपना रेल रोड सब हो रहा है, हाउसिंग भी थोड़ा थोड़ा हो रहा है, सो गवर्नमेंट अच्छा काम कर रही है जो।
It's a very proud moment for every Indian. It's a moment of pride to participate in an election of 140 crore people. And if I remember correctly, about 97 crore voters. And just think about the logistics and the arrangements which go into it. The process of voting today was very smooth.
I would like to say that it's a great privilege to have the opportunity to vote, and I would request all Mumbaikars to come and exercise their franchise and vote today.